Hey, so this is a quick review on the Clinpro 5000 toothpaste. Yes, it is a prescription only. My best description for what this is it's basically a fluoride toothpaste on steroids, okay? But what makes it so effective is that it is highly concentrated in fluoride and it also contains tricalcium phosphate, okay? So by how concentrated it is that it has 1.1% sodium fluoride. If you kind of compare it to run-of-the-mill fluoride toothpaste like this Colgate here, it has 0.24%. Right? I can show you another different one. All right, if you look here, also has 0.24%. That's the typical average. So the 1.1% sodium fluoride here means that it is more than 4 times as concentrated, which means it has 4 times more fluoride in here than your average toothpaste. Okay, and then that kind of just helps prevent cavities and all of that. The second reason why it's so effective is that it contains tricalcium phosphate. To understand what this means, you kind of have to remember that calcium is good for your teeth and bones because your enamel is literally made out of calcium and phosphate and almost nothing else. Okay, that's the majority of what it's made out of. So when your teeth start to develop a cavity, it starts to demineralize. What that means is that the enamel itself starts to lose calcium and lose phosphate, right? It sort of just dissolves away from the tooth, and then that's how cavities start forming. So the good news is that you could remineralize your teeth or repair it or reverse the cavities by adding calcium and phosphate back into the enamel, okay? And for that reason, a lot of toothpastes kind of add calcium to them, sort of like this toothpaste here. You'll see calcium carbonate. The problem with that is that calcium, when it's in toothpaste form, when it's mixed with fluoride, they will kind of react with each other. So the fluoride and the calcium in a toothpaste, they'll kind of bond to each other. That is a problem because when they're bonded together, the teeth aren't able to use it, right? The teeth can't take up the fluoride and take up the calcium because they're kind of inactivated, so to speak. 3M kind of came out with an innovative solution called tricalcium phosphate, which is a stabilized version of calcium. So when calcium is in this form, it does not react with fluoride in the toothpaste. And what that means is that when you brush with it, your teeth could actually take up the extra fluoride and the extra calcium, right? And then they're not bonded to each other like the normal fluoride and calcium in these other toothpastes, all right? So that is a big plus with it. So basically, all of the anti-cavity effects from this prescription toothpaste is due to the fluoride, all right? But it has like a high concentration of it, and it has a innovative additional ingredient in there that kind of just makes the remineralization process a lot more effective. So yeah, overall, I do really like this toothpaste as a very mild flavor. It's a very mild spearmint flavor to me, and I do like brushing with it. All right. So so if you do get the chance to use it, I say go ahead and use it, and let me know.